Hello guys, welcome to the market trading channel, and in this video I'm going to be giving you an honest review on pocket option, social copy trading features, and also the AI trading features that you can see on the screen. So these two features, I tried it for about 2 weeks now, and I have an honest review. I'm going to be telling you the amount I deposited, and I know you are seeing 106 right now, but you still don't know how much I deposited. So I'm going to be showing you, and I will be telling you if it's worth it or it does not worth it at the end of the day, and maybe if you want to use it to go ahead and trade. But before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and are watching this video right now, click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends and like our video. So let's continue. I will start with the deposit. Let me go ahead and try to get deposit. Let me get a deposit history so I can show you that. Just wait a little bit. Okay. Sometimes I don't like this platform. It just slow sometimes trying to load the features. I understand it's heavy. So the deposit amount I deposit on this on the, you can see on the September 11th. That's about over a week ago or so. 11, that should be, is it 10 days ago or so? So the deposit amount is $100. I deposited $100, and I use a bonus 50%, so which means I had $150 at the time when I deposited. So 100 plus 50, that's 150. So after I deposited, I first of all tried out the social trading. So I click on the social trading, as you can see. So I saw the list of traders here, and then I picked. There was one that was at the time that was there. I was earning more and has the profitability trades. So I picked that one. I click on it, and then I click on copy, and then I put in the amount I want to copy. I chose, I think 10% or 1%. I can't remember. I take 1% because I've already looked at the minimum amount the person is trading. I put in my stop balance. I put 100 at the time. I put in the minimum trading amount. I put the max amount. I think 20 or 30. I've forgotten. Okay, 10 use last use. That was my last change. And then after that, I click on confirm. It's so very straightforward. So now let me now go back to what happened. So these are the traders I used at the time. List of copied traders. So you can see all of them here. So this guy, I first of all use this guy. So as you can see, profit of $4 at the time was making a huge profit, turnover of $5. So it was making a huge profit at the time, but you can see a loss. So all of his studying started making loss, and I'm like, this is crazy. Look at it, turnover of this is having this. At the time was it's very huge when I started copying him, and since the first day I started copying this guy from around $50. After like 3 days or I think 3 days or so, the balance went down to $123. Do you understand? Then I personally tried it out and traded again. So I increased the money back to like $133 with AI trading. That was when I went ahead to try the AI trading option, which I'm going to be showing you in a moment. So I tried the AI trading option, and I increased the money back to $133, and then after that I returned it back to this guy. He dropped the account down again. Then I stopped copying him. I pick another guy also. They are saying $24 profit. There was no profit because they already draw the account down. I'm just trying to make it back, and even I left the account in loss of about maybe $20 or so from this guy, and then I gave it to this guy. Copied his account also, same thing. Look at this guy even making loss yesterday. Yeah, yesterday also. You see, all time, and they were making profit at the time. They were making huge profit at the time. I don't understand. See, it's not even a loss now, a mad loss. And at the time they were making huge profit. That was why I copied them. You get the point. So I don't immediately I started copying this guy also, the same guy. Sorry, another guy. Don't forget the first one I left him because he was making loss. Immediately I started copying this guy also. Instantly, from that day I started making loss. Like the account start to draw down, draw down. He draw the account down back to, as you can see, 106. Then I stopped copying him. So these two guys I didn't copy them. I tried to copy them, but I stopped it before they start to trade. So based on these two experience, the first one immediately I started copying it, started drawing the account down, they didn't make any profit. The second one also the same thing, start to draw the account down, it didn't make any profit. Then I'm like, is I was asking myself, all these people that are in social trading, are they actually real? Or maybe pocket option is just using a simulation and start putting someone there, putting a profile of someone there, and then they are just there taking traders money on like at the back end. That's what I feel, because I don't understand that throughout they were a top trader and they started making loss all of a sudden once you start copying them. I don't know your experience if you have copied them before, but that's what I experienced and that's what I felt actually. So that's for the copying trading aspect. So my review on that, I would say zero out of 10. I will give them 0 out of 10. Don't in terms of simplicity, I might give them 5, but in terms of like the result and everything, I will give them 0. And the reason is that I won't advise you to use it. It's trash. Maybe if I copy it, if I'm very sure, look at them, they are making loss even after I stop copying them. If I have left it, the account will have drawn down even more. Maybe I would have even lost the whole account. So that is why it's always good to monitor. But you can try it on your own side and see how it goes and let me know in the comment section. So let's go ahead and show you the result of the AI trading. So AI trading, let's go. Trading profile, trading is 0, yeah. Oh, what's happening? 919 to 20. No, day trade. No, no, we don't want this. Day trade is from 11th. Sorry, 11th to, I said 20th. Let's see if it's going to open. I don't understand why it's not showing anything here. What was it doing? It's asking me for date range. Okay, last 30 days. Okay, let's do last 30 days. Okay, good. Yeah, perfect. So let's go and see what we have. You can see all of them there, they are playing rubbish. I want to go show you the AI trading area. Yeah, perfect. You can see the AI trading. So one more, almost there. I want to show you the AI trading. So the way I traded the AI trading, I use what they call I use a Martingale rule. More like if you lose, let's assume you place one and you lose it, you place the next one and you lose it, you're like going to be like timesing it by 2. Add everything you have placed, times it by 2, place the next trade. So that's what I use. So you can see as for I tried the AI trading here just to see how it goes. I see it was profitable just to understand the concept behind it. So then I started I went in. I placed $1, it came. I placed $1, it came, nice one. I placed another $1, it lost. I placed $2, it lost. It looks scary at the point. I placed $6. All of these are AI trading. I placed $6, it lost. I placed $18, it lost. As I can see. Then I placed $18 again because I didn't want to place 60 something dollar. Then it came. Then I placed $6, it came. So let's go back. I'm going to show you an example of how to use AI trading in a minute. I'm going to be using $1 for practical for you guys. Then you can see $6 it lost, $18 it lost, $30 it lost, then $69, then I had $132. So that was when I turned the account back to $133, and I gave the next guy to copy the other guy, the last guy, and then look at his trading history. You can look at what he's trading, and you can see how He's making profit on small amount and making loss on big amount. You can see it's going to be drawing the account down more, which doesn't make sense. So you can see he's making loss on big amount, but when it will come to small amount, he's making profit. It doesn't make sense to me. So as you can see, so and that's how he draw the account down. See, he's making live making loss on big amount, and you're making profit on small $1, $3, $4. So then I left the account. That was where you were able to find the account at 106 because it was drawing the account down. So now overall, does the AI trading worth it? I will say yes and I will say no. In terms of simplicity, let me show you in terms of simplicity. I will put $1 here, $1. So let's assume I want to use AI trading right now just to decide the direction of the market for me. I'll click on AI trading and I'll click on open trade. You see that you can see it's already open a trade for me. So let's go to trade, open trade. As you can see, it's shorting the trade. So you can see it's going our direction, but we have 18 seconds more. So let's see. So now, does it worth it? I will say yes and I will say no. I will say yes in the sense that at least if you don't have any experience in trading, and you feel you don't want to start thinking and be analyzing the market, you can use AI trading. You can see now it came through and everything. Very easy. It's very easy to use. Let me put it down. In terms of simplicity, I will give it like 10 out of 10 for the AI trading. In terms of efficiency, because there are some points that the price will be at a support level. You know, on the norms, you shouldn't be shorting support level, you should be longing it. The AI trading will be shorting support level again, shorting the support level, which doesn't make sense to me, which is why I even lost more when at the point. But because I believe that it's AI, because I don't know what it's going to say the next time, you get the point. So but I feel that the AI trading is using the overall trend, if it's bearish or bullish, to actually place the trade at the time. So which doesn't really make sense to me. So but I feel maybe over time they are going to train it more. But so far it's not bad. But in terms of accuracy, also accuracy, I will give 50%, 50-50. Do you understand? So because I didn't lose the money, so I still getting back. So that's why I'm giving it 50%. So, but will I be using AI trading next time? No, I won't be using it. So that's my review for that. Like I said, it all depends on you to choose to go ahead and use it or not. So that'll be all for today. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.